Tired of your Minecraft world feeling more like a slideshow? Let's fix that by boosting your RAM allocation. First, fire up your Minecraft launcher and click on the Installations tab at the top. This is where the magic happens. Next, hover over the Minecraft installation you usually use, likely the latest release. You'll see 3 dots appear. Click them, then select Edit. Alright, now scroll down, down until you find the More Options button, and give that a click. Now, look for the JVM Arguments field. You'll see a line of code, probably starting with XMX to G. This number, 2 grams in this example, tells Minecraft how much RAM to use, in this case, 2 gigabytes. Change that number to the amount of RAM you want to allocate. If you want to allocate 4 gigabytes of RAM, change it to XMX for G. For 6 gigabytes, use XMX 6G. And so on. Just make sure not to allocate more RAM than your computer has available, or things might get even worse. Once you've adjusted the RAM, hit save at the bottom right. Now, go back to the Play tab and launch Minecraft with your newly edited installation. Get ready for smoother gameplay, fewer crashes, and a much happier Minecraft experience. Subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.